Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's second splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have recently come in. And these are monthly recurring commissions that you can earn even as a free member. And that's $137 now for me into profit. But more importantly, with Second Splash in this video, I want to show you how, as a free member, you can earn not only monthly recurring commission, you can also earn a higher ticket commission as well as a free member. You can get viral passive traffic, and I'm also just going to share with you at the end of the video all the free resources and all the free tools that we give you and training to help you and support you grow your second splash program. So I'm live here in my Gmail account, and you'll see here 4 hours ago this notification came in, and this is a new subscription. So what this means is that this member has upgraded to a pro account. Now, I'm an upgraded member. I was very fortunate to be part of a joint venture program where I got a free upgrade due to being having some success with Easy Cash for ads. And that's the sister product of Second Splash. So everything that I earn now is profits. I just use free traffic to promote this. And what you'll see here, it says that they show you the check. So the check is for $9.74. So as long as this member remains a pro member, then I will earn the monthly recurring commissions. And I earn 50% recurring commissions. So as a free member, you would earn 25% monthly recurring commissions. And if I go on to this one here, this page here, this notification, then again, live in my Gmail account 3 hours ago, I also got a notification saying your downline got bigger. And if you join our team, if you set up your free account, you can have a look at the compensation plan. And this is really a superb compensation plan. It's a two-up, pass-up system. And what that means is it means more traffic for you. And it also means you get pass-up income as well. So it says here, a member in your downline made one of their qualifying referrals, which means your downline got bigger as their referral was passed up to you. And what does that exactly mean? Well, it means that your splash pages will receive more views. So I'm going to get more free traffic, and not to mention the recurring commission you will receive when they upgrade their accounts. You're not only getting um, uh, viral passive traffic from other members, you're also getting, if they decide to upgrade, you're also getting pass up commissions. So I'll just show you some proof how that works in the back office here. So you'll see the team now is 30. The commission here says $118. I'm not quite sure what that means. Because if I go on to here and I click to view, you'll see these are all the commissions that I've earned. So this one here at $97, when I talk about having a higher ticket offer within Second Splash, even as a free member, you can earn 25% of that higher ticket commission. And that's when one of the members pays up front for a whole year. So some like to pay monthly, but there is an option for a member to pay up front. And if one of your referrals pays up front, you will earn that higher ticket commission as well. So let me just go on to the dashboard again. And really important, I want to show you the bonus income. Now it says here, you can't necessarily read that very well, but it says participating. And that what that means is the bonus income is for Easy Cash for ads. And what happens is you can join Easy Cash for ads as a one-time. There's no monthly recurring payments. with Easy Cash for Ads. You can join Easy Cash for Ads as a one-time payment for $19. And then you can put that Easy Cash for Ads program into the back of your second splash funnel. So you click there to join Easy Cash for Ads, and then you put your username into there, and then you update. So why have the owners put Easy Cash for Ads into the back of second splash? Well, first of all, I'll just show you here. It's a high converting product. I've been a member for since last year. If I go into view your commissions, you'll see here that I've earned $740 with Easy Cash for Ads. And the reason they've put that in the back of here is because it's got a viral, it's got a pass-up commission. So you can not only earn monthly referrals, you can also earn all these one-off $10 bills that I've been earning now since February last year. So I've been earning $10 bills, $10 payments for 18 months in a row with Easy Cash for Ads. And that's equated to $740 of profit since I joined on the 7th month of 2021. So that's the reason. It's a high converting product. And then what you can do is, that's optional. It's not compulsory. That's why they call it a bonus income. But the great thing to do is watch this video here that shows you how with Easy Cash for Ads, you can earn not only referral income, but you can also earn passive commission as well. So again, it can become another recurring income stream. Our team give you all the free tools and resources that you need to become successful with Second Splash. So we give you this lead capture page. It's a done for you lead capture page, and we give that to you as well. And we also give you a done for you funnel. You don't have to promote this funnel. You can just promote the capture page. But if you want to promote this funnel, then you join Leads Leap here. And then what you do is you set up this funnel, which is a lead capture page, a thank you page, and also follow-up messages. So we're giving everything you need to be able to promote Second Splash. We're giving you everything you need. Leads Leap's got all the tools to be successful. It's free to join. It's a free lifetime membership. And if you do use this funnel, tutorial there that shows you how to set it up. If you do use this funnel, you can also earn an additional income stream with Leads Leap, even as a free member. So you can earn recurring income with Leads Leap by promoting this funnel as well. And if you do upgrade to Pro, you get more benefits and you can earn higher commissions as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see more videos from me. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got now over 900 videos on the channel. So if you've got any questions at all about Second Splash, or if you've got any questions about Easy Cash for Ads and how that all works, I have sort of jumped around a little bit today from page to page, but it's very, very simple. You just promote one link, and then even if you stay a free member with Second Splash, you can still earn those monthly recurring commissions, but the additional bonus incomes are always there if you decide you want to join those as well. And we give you all those free tools and resources that you can use if you wish to do so. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So to set up a free account, click the link in the description, and then that will take you into the back office, exactly the same as this. And then you can, for free, you can start setting up your splash page, and you can start getting some viral passive traffic by promoting Second Splash. And then you can decide there whether you want to upgrade or not. But even as a free member, you can still start to earn those monthly recurring commissions, because everyone needs good viral passive traffic. So thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.